How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. If you're not hearing any sound on WhatsApp status, here's how to fix it. First thing you want to do is close the WhatsApp completely. Now open the app switcher and swipe WhatsApp off of your screen. Now launch open WhatsApp and check if your issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is make sure your phone isn't in silent or vibrate mode. Now pull down the control center, and here you want to make sure that do not disturb is turned off. Also check your volume and make sure that it is turned up. Use the side buttons or the volume slider. If that doesn't fixes your issue, then you want to open up your settings. Now tap connections. Here tap Bluetooth. You want to make sure that Bluetooth is off. If your phone is connected to another device, the audio may be playing somewhere else. Turn Bluetooth off and try playing the WhatsApp status again. You also want to update the WhatsApp. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Here you want to search WhatsApp. If you find the update button here, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. In this way, you can easily fix this issue, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.